Welcome to 365 Math. In this video, I am going to tackle this question together with you. You can just pause the video, take a few seconds or a minute to try and solve this question. Okay, let's see how to go about it. It takes 6 construction workers 4 days to dig a hole 3 meters deep. If they work at this rate, how long will it take 10 of the workers to dig a hole 7 meters deep? So initially there were 6 construction workers taking 4 days to dig a hole that is 3 meters deep. And now we're asked how long will it take for 10 of the workers to dig a hole that is 7 meters. So the depth has increased and the number of workers has also increased. Now we want to find out how many days it is going to take. And by looking at this, we're not sure whether they're going to take more days to dig this hole or less. But from looking at this, I would like to think they're going to take more because the meters have not only increased, but they have doubled the meters that were being dug by 6 of the construction workers. We have workers, we have the number of days, and we've got the depth that is meters. So initially we're told that 6 workers, they were taking 4 days to dig a hole that is 3 meters deep. And then now we're given that we're going to be having 10 workers working for we don't know how many days, hence I put the question mark, and they're going to dig a hole that is 7 meters deep. To solve this question, the first thing that we're going to do is to calculate the work rate of one worker in 1 day. And to do so, we are going to say we have got 3 meters that were being dug and we had 6 workers and they did it in 4 days, and we're going to divide 3 meters divided by 6 times 4, which is equal to 3 meters over 24 worker day. I'll call it workers and we have got the days, and we'll get a rate of 0.125 meters. Each worker digs 0.125 meters in a single day. And the next step would be to calculate the work rate of 10 workers in 1 day. We had already gotten the meters that were being worked on by one worker in a single day, which was 0.125 meters, and want to find out how many meters do 10 men work on. So we multiply by 10, and by so doing we get 1.25 meters per day. So 10 men would dig 1.25 meters per day. Now the last step that we're going to take is to calculate the time for 10 workers to dig a 7-meter hole. So remember we had a rate of 1.25 meters per day. So now to get for 7 meters, we then say 7 meters divided by 1.25 meters per day, which will give us 5.6 days. And because it is a decimal, we cannot have 5.6 days. We will round it off to the nearest number, which is equal to 6 days, meaning to say that 10 workers would take 6 days to dig a hole that is 7 meters. I know it is a bit complex, however, you just need to understand the steps that I have just taken and also to understand what the question is requiring and how to get around it. I hope you learned something, and if you did not get the answer correct, do not worry. You just need to practice more, and I will be helping you with these type of questions. Thank you for watching. Please do hit the subscribe button for more videos. I'll see you in the next one.